Hi friends, welcome to the accountancy class. Today in this module, we are going to learn about the term bank reconciliation statement. It is a common practice these days to deposit cash and checks received with the bank and to make payment through bank. Cash dealings through bank is always safe and convenient. We can open various types of accounts with the bank, that is fixed bank account, savings bank account, current account and home safe account. The most suitable account for the business is to open a current account with the bank where deposit and withdrawals can be made many times a day. The deposits of cash, checks and drafts are made through pay-in slip, also known as deposit slip, but withdrawals can be made only through checks. The business records all its banking transaction in its 3-column or double column cash book, whereas the bank records all the transactions with its customers in its ledger accounts. In other words, we can say that ledger accounts maintained by the bank and cash book prepared by the customer record the same transactions. It seems therefore necessary that the bank balance being shown by both and cash book and ledger accounts must be equal. Ledger accounts are maintained by the bank confidentially, so customers cannot allowed to have an access to the ledger accounts. When the customer needs a copy of the records maintained by the bank regarding his banking transactions, the bank supplies the passbook or statement of account to the customer. Passbook or the statement of account is the copy of customer's ledger account maintained by the bank. It facilitates in comparing entries with the bank column cash book and to verify the records and bank balance. Through cash book prepared by the firm and passbook maintained by bank should show the same bank balance as both of them have been recording the same transactions. But in actual practice, it does not happen. The bank balance shown by cash book and passbook are generally different. The firm would definitely like to know the causes responsible for the differences in balance. For this purpose, a statement is prepared. That statement is known as bank reconciliation statement. Bank reconciliation statement is prepared with a view to find out the causes responsible for the differences between the balance of cash book and passbook and to reconcile their balance. The cash book is maintained and possessed by the firm itself, but the passbook or statement of customer's account are prepared by the bank and sent to the customer for information. In this way, both the books are with the customers and he can compare them and verify the records as its own convenience. Bank reconciliation statements are prepared by the firm regularly after certain interval. It may be prepared every month, every week or even daily depending upon the number of transactions and the size of the firms. While preparing bank reconciliation statement, the first step is to identify the transactions which cause the differences between the balance of cash book and passbook. Bank reconciliation statement is a statement which is prepared to reconcile the balance as per cash book and passbook. What is a bank reconciliation statement? A bank reconciliation statement is a document that matches the cash balance on a company's balance sheet to the corresponding amount on its bank statement. Reconciling the two accounts helps to determine if accounting changes are needed. Bank reconciliations are completed at regular intervals to ensure that the company's cash records are correct. They also helps to detect fraud and any cash manipulations.